What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. Today we're going to make a Scofflaw cocktail. Another one people have been asking me for. So the name Scofflaw, the term, is actually a Prohibition era term that is used to describe someone who drinks alcohol illegally. So literally, the term Scofflaw is like, hey, John, you're a Scofflaw, or John's a Scofflaw. That means he's a guy that goes to speakeasies and drinks liquor during Prohibition times. It was purportedly created by a bartender named Jock at Harry's American Bar in Paris in the year 1924. Let's get into the cocktail. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do half an ounce of grenadine. Half an ounce of grenadine. And we're gonna do 3/4 an ounce of lemon juice. 3/4 an ounce of dry vermouth. Okay. Wow! Don't drop the cap. 2 dashes of orange bitters. We're using Regan's today. And then 1.5 ounces of rye whiskey. Today we're using Old Overholt, which is kind of my workhorse rye for cocktails. And we're just gonna add our ice to our tin. Lock it and shake. Center our glass, double strain. And then we're just going to do a nice lemon peel garnish. Spritz it, rub it. There you have it, my friends, the Scofflaw. Now let's taste it. You know, it's both tart, a tiny bit sweet. You know, the grenadine and the rye really play well off each other, so that rye is going to be that spicier American whiskey, that followed by that grenadine, which gives it just a tiny twinge of sweetness, but then you have the tartness of the lemon juice pairing well with the dryness of this, the dry vermouth. It's a real easy sipper, this one. So here you go, guys. Drink up, be a Scofflaw, and drink the Scofflaw. Well, you can't be a Scofflaw. It's not Prohibition anyway. Oh, and by the way, I know you're thinking to yourself, where did Leandro get that awesome shirt? Well, I just want to let you guys know that we are selling shirts, and if you look below this video, we have linked our Teespring account to our videos, and you can find this and other awesome designs. So check it out if you're interested. All right, the Scofflaw, guys.